There's no space for you in my life or the afterlife. You made a huge mistake coming here and you should be ashamed of yourself. You better be single than married to this barren woman.
Are you mad? Are you mad?
My wife will get pregnant as at when due.
You have no right to poke your nose in my affairs.
Am I the only married woman who is yet to have a child?
Why haven't you blessed me with a grandchild after 5 years of marriage?
You didn't expect me to start nursing some useless child.
Now tell me, if I didn't have you for your father, who will inherit his tens of business enterprise? Who?
I beg free me, oh. Na cigarette I smoke, I no keep person.
Is it the reason you refuse to join us to the church program?
Are you the first person to be born again?
What is the matter with you?
You know, this country is full of bullshit. I say make I just use this thing and get myself, make I do alright. You don't understand.
Tune up your mindset, you understand me? I don't care whatever lifestyle you have lived out there. For how long will you tie my son from seeing the reality on the ground? What is this lying? I am a woman! I will tell when a woman is lying or telling the truth.
Why do you suddenly talk to me in this manner when I have done nothing but love you?
About the real you, Ake will not step a foot into this house. No blood of the Kukwe's is raised outside. You blame you!
Next time I see you near me, I will chop off your pencil-like dick and shove it down your throat.
Ow! Ow! That would make sense because you were not too drunk when you fell into her thighs! I wish I could just, turn back the hands of time and, let all of this just wash away, erase off memories. Please, have mercy upon me. Look upon me with mercy and show yourself strong and mighty, my Savior.